Hi, I'm Josh Lockey, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today we're going to be demonstrating the integration between QuoteWerks Web and HaloPSA. This includes the integration points such as searching and pulling in HaloPSA contacts, creating and updating HaloPSA sales opportunities, creating and updating HaloPSA quotes, attaching additional documentation to the opportunity, and interacting with the HaloPSA items database from inside of QuoteWerks Web. If you've not done so already, we suggest watching the Setting Up the HaloPSA Integration video in QuoteWerks Web, as it will provide the foundation for what we will be reviewing today. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by pulling a contact into our document. I'm going to click on the Sold To, Shipped To tab, and then under the Sold To contact, click on the magnifying glass. This will bring up the Lookup HaloPSA contact window. From here, I can search by name, phone, client phone, user first name, or user last name. For clarification, HaloPSA uses the term client to refer to what we call a company or account in QuoteWerks, and user to refer to what we call a contact. In this example, I'm just going to search for Computer Hut. I'll type in computer, click enter on my keyboard or the magnifying glass, and this will return the results that match. You will notice there are a few contacts for this company. To select a contact to pull into QuoteWerks, simply highlight the contact and click on the Sold To button to pull them into Sold To, Ship To pull them into Ship To, Bill To pull them into Bill To, or if you want to pull the same contact into all three fields at once, click the All button and that contact will be populated in all three fields. If your contact does not currently exist in HaloPSA, you can create it directly from QuoteWerks. Simply enter in the company name, contact name, address, city, state, phone, and email address, and this gold button will become available and will allow you to create the new record in HaloPSA. If the client record already does exist in HaloPSA, then you simply need to go into HaloPSA and create the new user under the appropriate client record. Now that we have our contact in our document, let's go ahead and start adding items to build our document in QuoteWerks. We're going to click on the Document Items tab and we'll click on the Products icon to bring up the Product Lookup window. If you're utilizing HaloPSA for your items, we can link directly to those and search and pull in items from the database. For example, if I wanted, I could select the HaloPSA database and in the description, I'll type TV and click Find. That'll show me a list of any items that contain the word TV in the description of the item. Additionally, you could hit Show All and that will display all the items that are available in the HaloPSA items list. Another point of clarification here, HaloPSA uses the term item while QuoteWerks uses the term product, but both refer to the same thing, something that you sell and could potentially be included in a quote. For this example, we'll just go ahead and select a couple items to add to our document. We'll select the items we want and hit Add Selected Products to Current Document. Now that we've created our document in QuoteWerks, we can transfer the important sales data over to HaloPSA. To send this information to HaloPSA, simply click on the Save icon and this will bring up the Save Quote As window. This will allow you to change the document name, assign a document number which will be done automatically for you, assign the status of the quote, and also assign a project number if needed. Below that, you'll have options to integrate with HaloPSA. We want to create or update the sales opportunity. We want to create or update the linked document, which will be a copy of the quote and included in the opportunity. And we want to create and update the HaloPSA quote. That way our line item information feeds into HaloPSA. You'll also notice the HaloPSA status drop-down menu at the bottom right of the window. I'm online means that QuoteWerks will communicate and interact with HaloPSA once the quote is saved. I'm offline will not create or update anything in HaloPSA. This should be used when you don't have access to HaloPSA, or if you simply want to forego using the integration for whatever reason. Once you've made your selections, simply click OK. This will open up the Create New HaloPSA Opportunity window. From here you have a couple options, the first being if you want to create a brand new HaloPSA opportunity, or if an existing opportunity for the contact already exists, you can click on the drop-down and select that existing opportunity. Just note that if you do select this option, QuoteWerks will take ownership of that opportunity and will rewrite it with the information in this current document. For our example, we're going to go ahead and select Create New Opportunity. The default opportunity name, or as it notes here, Summary, is going to be our document name from QuoteWerks. If you'd like to customize or change any of this, you absolutely can. We'll also set the owner of the opportunity or agent and the stage or status of the opportunity. In this case, we'll say Qualified for the status of the opportunity, Projected Close Date of next week, Sales as our team, and Conversion Probability rating of 50%. There's a details section where you can write in additional information about the opportunity you would like to include. After the opportunity has been created in HaloPSA, the Create New HaloPSA Quote window will appear. This will let you name the quote in HaloPSA. It'll use the same naming convention as your QuoteWerks quote, so the company name and today's date, or if you'd like to change it, you can. Here you can set the status of the quote, the agent or sales rep, the expiration date, days to deliver, PO number, and even add notes. Then simply click on Save to start the process of sending the line item information over to HaloPSA. Now that our opportunity has been created in HaloPSA, QuoteWerks has a really nice shortcut for getting you directly to that opportunity. If you click on the Links tab in QuoteWerks, you'll see you have these auto links available, which will bring you directly to either the Sold To, Ship To, or Bill To contact, the Sold To, Ship To client, the opportunity, or the quote, all in HaloPSA. So if I click on View Opportunity in HaloPSA, from here I can review the opportunity, add any notes if needed, and I can also review the quote that QuoteWerks has created inside of HaloPSA. Clicking on the HaloPSA quote will load the quote from QuoteWerks, including all of the line items that I sent over. Everything looks good, so let's go ahead and go back into QuoteWerks. Let's go back to our Document Items tab. Now, if anything on the document changes and we need to update the opportunity in HaloPSA, we can easily do so. For instance, if our customer decides that they need 2 of these items instead of just 1, then we can resave the opportunity, and this will prompt us to update the existing opportunity that QuoteWerks is already attached to. We can make any adjustments, maybe change the status to awaiting approval. We can click OK, and then it'll update the opportunity in HaloPSA. Additionally, you'll be prompted to update the existing HaloPSA quote, so if you wanted to make any adjustments, we could, and hit Save. Now our opportunity is in sync and will remain in sync with our QuoteWerks quote, so anytime you make changes to the document in QuoteWerks, all you have to do is hit Save, and it will automatically update that opportunity in HaloPSA as well. Now that our document has been updated, we want to go ahead and send this to the customer so they can sign off on it. We're going to click on the Deliver icon, select our layout or the output of the document, and upload this to QuoteWerks so the customer can sign off on it. We'll choose our QuoteWerks layout, it's just our customer-facing layout, and click Upload. And then we can email it out to the customer. And then if we scroll down, the customer can accept their document, they can sign off on it, and even click to accept. Now that the quote has been accepted by the customer, QuoteWerks will want to convert this quote to an order. So right now it's a quote document. When we convert the quote to an order, this will prompt us to update the opportunity as 1 in HaloPSA. If we click on our Quote File A tab, this will prompt us to convert the quote to an order, and converting the quote to an order will give us the opportunity to update our HaloPSA opportunity as well. So we'll click OK, and if any changes have been made to the document, it will now update the opportunity with the most up-to-date information from the QuoteWerks document. On the opportunity window, you'll see our status is set to approved, conversion probability has been updated to 100%, and close date has also been updated. We then can hit OK to update it in HaloPSA. That's a typical example for creating a new document in QuoteWerks, creating an opportunity in HaloPSA, then having the customer sign off on it in Quote File A, and updating the opportunity as 1 back in HaloPSA. For more information on the HaloPSA integration, or if you have any further questions, please visit the QuoteWerks help files or contact our team at 407-248-1481.